Ito po mga kaibigan, there's no turning back. Umpisa nito ng fourth quarter. The lead of Formula Shell has been cut down from 17 to 10 as we start the fourth period. Albert Lago, one of those instrumental in making that happen for Barangay Ginebra. Jolly Escobar with an offensive rebound. Narito si Mal David, open shot, medyo mahina. And Chris Jackson comes out of the fray. Tuloy-tuloy sa front court. Binigay kay Joel Duano. Fast break play. Akalain mo si Joel Duano, Dr. J, sa fast break.
Well, may role-playing talaga itong taong ito. And he may look to be a little bit
Heavy,
pero
kaya niya.
marunong maglaro yan. Galing rin sa PBL yan, naaspatan nung araw. Talagang medyo right na rin maglaro ito.
Marlo Aquino got the ball tapped out of his hands. Pero pa 10 seconds on the shot clock for Barangay Ginebra. Lumalabag po ang Formula Shell ng 12 puntos. 10 minutes and 58 seconds to go in the ball game. Narito si Elmer Lango, binibigyan ng pick ni Marlo Aquino. There's the roll by Marlo Aquino. Nice fake and the finger roll.
Talagang may power breaks rin yung sapatos ni Marlo Aquino dahil ordinarily titira na yun. Pero dadating si Victor Pablo, bablangkain. No. Medyo stop muna, fake and then ball fake tapos sa bailea.
Parang yung mga usong coaching yan, all power na rin ito. Ito, all power din ito. Si Vic Pablo para sa Formula Shell. Binigay kay Jerry Esplana. Umihit. Binigay kay Chris Jackson. Pinasa kay Joel Duanan. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Noy Castillo against Valdemir. Gets away. On the run, Noy Castillo scores.
Well, tumulong si Escobar pero just a little bit too late. You've got to close that lane. If you're a big man, you see somebody under time pressure, you've got to help out.
Balik na naman sa 12 kalamangan ng Formula Shell. 66 to 54. Marlo Aquino was waiting for that pass. Puts it up and it goes in. Marlo Aquino now operating within his zone. At dyan po mahirap-hirap talagang bantayan yan.
At tinidiin niya talaga yung kanyang balikat kay Chris Jackson bago niya pilitan. No? Pero hindi yung diin na parang tinutulak. Hindi.
Yung pwersa namin.
Natural movement. There's a lot of pushing in those baseline exchanges ng Formula Shell.
Narito si Noy Castillo. Castillo drives, takes it out. Vic Pablo! Yes! He's been hitting that shot from all over the court.
And that beat the 24-second buzzer. So you can just imagine how big that shot was for Formula Shell.
22 o 12 puntos ang kalamangan ng Formula Shell at 68-56. The pass intended for Marlo Aquino picked off by Chris Jackson, who's fronting him. Jerry Esplana in the front court. Benny Cheng breaking up the play. Samantala ang pinapasok si Coach Perry Ronquillo sa Romel Santos. Pagpapahingahin si Jerry Esplana at the point guard slot.
Well, galing sa championship itong Formula Shell sa third conference last year, and you can see paano yung kumpiyansa ng mga players nila. Even the reserve and bench players.
May composure na pinapakita, nilalarawan itong mga nalalaro ng Formula Shell. Samantala, may foul on Jolly Escobar. Sa nga pala, Dr. J, Mayo 14 ngayon. Perde na isang kaibigan natin.
Sino?
Yung veterano natin direktor. Medyo nag-retire na sa vintage. Si Mang.
Si Mang.
Mang Ramon.
Si Mang. Si Ramon, medyo matagal na ako nagtrabaho under him.
Ramon Ramano.
8 to 9 years. Happy birthday, direct. No?
Happy birthday. 70-56 mga kaibigan. 14 puntos sa kalamangan ng Formula Shell over Barangay Ginebra. Samantala na 30-second timeout at tatawagin ng Barangay Ginebra. Lumalawag na naman nga ng 14 itong Formula Shell at 70-56. Pero mahaba pa ito, Dr. J. 8:44. Medyo nakakain na kanina ang Barangay Ginebra sa kalamangan ng Formula Shell. Pero bigla na namang umusbong itong Formula Shell.
Well, their offense is no problem for Barangay Ginebra. In the third quarter, they shot 67%. But they took 7 shots less than Formula Shell, who shot 50%. Isa pang problema nila, Barangay Ginebra has been playing good defense for about 20 seconds. Pero yung last kick out ng Formula Shell, those kind of shots have been hurting them here in the fourth quarter.
At nakikita natin itong people like Vic Pablo have been getting their way. Vic Pablo nalilibre from the perimeter and napaka-deadly pa lang ito. Lalong-lalo na ngayong gabi. Halos lahat ng bitaman ito dito sa second half ay pumapasok.
He has 24 points already in the ball game. Another one of those sterling nights.
Ayan, average of 17.6, 24 na. Malayo pa tayo mga kaibigan. We still have 8 minutes and 39 seconds left to play. Lamang ng 14 ang Formula Shell. Nasa Barangay Ginebra ang bola. Bal David puts it up, medyo malakas. And And a lot of green shirts there, lunging for that rebound. Joel Dualan gets it over to Romel Santos. Now, Coach Perry Ronquillo has the luxury of playing people like Romel Santos and Joel Dualan because they've also been playing well. Noy Castillo, sumaksak sa loob, kinaliwa. Wala, Johnny Escobar. Benny Cheng, nakuha yung bola. Binigay kay Paul David. Pero mabilis na naman bumaba sa depensa ang Formula Shell.
That's one thing you have to give them. Ito, magandang atake ni Valdemir, pero malas. Hindi makakuha ng magandang tira off the glass.
Yun ang masakit niya para sa Barangay Ginebra. They got the opportunity, pero when it came, hindi naman nakumpleto.
That's another thing that Barangay Ginebra has to do when the second conference comes around is they got to pick up some players. They got to get some support players, scoring-wise, no? Dahil ang support nila kay Valdemir talagang wala, no?
Yes. So sa ngayon mga kaibigan, nananatili po ang kalamangan ng Formula Shell at 14 points, and Big Pablo has the leather para sa Zoom Masters. Picks it out to Noy Castillo. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Open shot here for Noy Castillo. Ito, hindi masyado napakita ng first half, Dr. J. Now he's starting to contribute para sa Formula Shell.
He has 13 points all in the second half. Blocking foul on Noel Castillo. Napapansin ko ito sa mga games niya. No? Of course, kung maganda laro niya sa first quarter, he'll go over 20. Pero usually sa third and fourth quarter na ngayon, pumuputok ito si Noel Castillo.
Yun ang mga crucial stretches. Mga kaibigan, we have a timeout. We'll be right back. Yung strongman. 72-56 mga kaibigan ang ating score. 16 puntos na kalamangan ng Formula Shell, and Joel Dualan gets knocked down. Tawagan ng foul si Marlo Aquino.
Third personal foul ni Marlo. He was frustrated nung pinag-double team siya na wala sa kanya ang bola. Ganyan talaga ito si Joel Dualan. Ganyan ang laro niya. Parang si Jay Mendoza rin.
Oo. Nakita ko si Marlo, Dr. J, sumesenyas na gusto mong kapalit.
Pagod na rin ba?
Pagod na siguro.
Walang pahinga ito so far in the second half.
Yes.
Si Noli Locsin naman, 5 ang foul. Alam kay Dick, by the way, is in the ball game.
That's right. Big Pablo, delabas kay Chris Jackson. After Romel Santos, Joel Dualan underneath. Si Alan Cady ka nagbabantay sa kanya. Kaya't Joel Dualan decided to take it real strong. Picked up a foul from Alan Cady. At mukhang Coach Rino Salazar has been forced to send Noli Locsin to the officials table. Maaring para palitan si Marlo Aquino. His hand has been forced. Si Benny Cheng.
Gusto na lumabas ni Marlo. Pero sorry, diyan ka muna. Hindi kita maalis pa dito. I need a bigger man inside. No?
Umakma na si Marlo na lalabas pero si Benny Cheng pala ang pinalitan. Noli Locsin is in the game with 5 personal fouls. Joel Dualan misses both.
So good foul given up by Alan Cadic instead of giving him a layup underneath the basket.
6:51 remaining in the game. Marlo Aquino gets Chris Jackson out of the way, but he misses the shot. And there's going to be a loose ball foul. Tignan natin kung sino tinatawagan dito. Joel Dualan. 13 foul para sa Formula Shell. Second personal on Joel Dualan. Ginebra has 4 team fouls so far.
16-point lead pala ito para sa Formula Shell. No? And hindi talaga maibaba ng Barangay Ginebra. Hanggang 10 lang sila nakalapit dito.
Kanina, nung bandang dulo ng third quarter, naibaba nila yan sa 10. Pero ito ngayon, 16 na naman. Lumobo na naman itong kalamangan. Marlo Aquino working against Chris Jackson. His pass deflected. Napulot ni Elmer Lago. There's Alan Caidic from the corner. Medyo malakas. And look at Joel Dualan go. Para ito sa Chris Jackson. Jackson gets it off to Big Pablo just at the right time. Eksakto. Sakling yung pasa. And Big Pablo scores again.
Well, if Rino Salazar cannot give his big men some rest, aatakihin ng fast break play ng Shell yan of rebounds, of defensive rebounds. No?
Ito naman yun si Marlo Aquino. Nakukumahog. Reverse layup. Hindi pumasok. He gets it back. Yun ang finger roll ni Marlo Aquino. Kanina po, pinakamalaking kalamangan yung 18, pero na Nabawasan yan with that layup by Marlo Aquino to 16 points once again at 74-58.
Halfway mark na tayo dito ng fourth and final quarter. It's been Formula Shell for most of the game. Tignan natin, may foul na naman dito.
Yes, a couple gulang naman doon sa loob. Alan Kaidig tatawagan ng foul, his third personal and the 15th foul on Barangay Ginebra.
Tignan mo naman itong Formula Shell. Aalisin mo si Dualan. Lumaki pa lamang ninyo nung nandun siya. Ibabalik mo ngayon si Benji Paras. Pahingang-pahinga na, di ba?
Ito yan. Yan mga luxury na kay Coach Pereiro Quillo sa gabing ito. Romel Santos, open! Nako!
Ito pa isang
Ayan pa.
shooter.
Oo, PLDT long distance shot ng Romel Santos at si Jerry Esplana. Medyo paisi-isi muna siya sa bench ngayon. Napakalaki kalamangan, 19 puntos po para sa Formula Shell. Another turnover here for Barangay Ginebra.
Wala na si Marlo. Parang ubus na ang gasolina rin ni Marlo. Remember, he had to extend himself for 2 very big games. Nagpapahinga yung Shell doon.
Yes.
Nagpupukpukan itong Barangay Ginebra at Mobilite.
Habang nagkukumahog doon ng Barangay Ginebra, baka nakahiga pa ito sa mga kama nila. Naghihirapan kayo dyan, ha? Ito ngayon, si Noli Locsin. Locsin is double teamed. He looks for the open man. But Marlo Aquino is sluggishly trying to come into the front court.
Ooh, nice pick.
Alan Kaidig to Bal David from the corner. Off na off. So this game slowly slipping away from Barangay Ginebra. But remember, mga kaibigan, ito po ay best of 5 series dito sa ating semi-final round. Ang magwawagi rito, tutuloy sa championship against the winner of Alaska and Tanduay. Kanina nanalo ang Tanduay in their first game against Alaska. We have a timeout.
Maganda, sobra. I think he was the best player of the game.
Yes, he was. So, nanalo po ang Tanduay over Alaska kanina. 86-84 ang score doon. Dito po, medyo itong Barangay Ginebra will need a minor miracle to be able to come back into the fray, and they'll have to have that miracle start now. Elber Lago against Noy Castillo. Merong foul. Formula Shell is not yet in the penalty after shooting well. That point. That one came from downstairs, so sideline inbounds ito para sa Barangay Ginebra.
Mahirap din talagang matchup ng Barangay Ginebra kontra dito sa Formula Shell. Yun ang problema nila. Shell really uses 3 big men and they're all good. Yung sa first side nila, they're all good.
Yun ang talagang pagiging sa pagkukumaga ng Barangay Ginebra. Tapos meron pang coming off the bench na katulad ni Joel Dualan na napakaganda naman ang nilaro ngayon.
He has 6 points in the ball game, couple of rebounds, stole the ball.
A strong presence. Strong presence on the hard court. Elber Lago got away but still could not get that ball to fall. Ito na pulot ni Bal David.
Saka missing na rin kasi si Noli ngayong gabi dahil siyempre pagod na rin yung Tsaka malakas talaga dumipensa. Kita mo yung double team yan against Noli.
Alan Kaidig gets it over to Wilmer Ong, but he's blocked by Benji Paras. Ito naman sumasagitsit si Romel Santos. Off to Chris Jackson underneath. Wala makabantay sa kanya ro. Si Bal David lang ang nando doon at wala masyado magagawa yan against the guy with the heft of Chris Jackson.
On Sunday, magre-reverse ang games. Ito mapupuntang first game. Yun naman sa pangalawang games. Pareho sa akin. This might be a blowout right now as you see a call here. Pero sigurado ako iba ilalaro nung next game ng Barangay Ginebra.
Ganyan naman yan. Nakikita natin pa-recover. At medyo naiintindihan natin. Sabi nga, bago pa ng top of the coverage, mag-umpisa tayo. Itong Barangay Ginebra, medyo hindi na tayo magtataka kung medyo hapu ito sapagkat dumaan po ito sa butas ng karayom.
Isa pa ang kasamang Ed, in a series where you play the same team again, this is a best of 5, so you have to win 3 before you get there.
That's right.
You can make adjustments. Yung coaching staff, they'll go back, they'll talk to their team, may mga consultants rin yan. Pag-uusapan nila, ano bang hindi natin nakikita dito sa rotation ng kanilang opensa, gano'n. So, yun ang natuturuan mo next time around, di ba?
Inaasahan natin na pag-aaralan yan at gagawa ng paraan ng Barangay Ginebra sa susunod na laban. Edward Naron, in the meantime, gets it on a short layup there.
Kung nakita mo dito, mga second stringers na except for Alan Kaibigan, Noli Locsin. Nandiyan na rin si Boy Valera. Yung Shell, nandiyan pa, pumupukpuk pa. Nandiyan pa yung mga matitibay. Ito except for si Rodriguez.
Timira, and it's a miss with Noli Locsin. Look away pass picked off by Vic Pablo. 20 puntos po ang kalamangan itong Formula Shell. To dish off to the open, Romel Santos. Otik pa, Benji Paraz. Picks it up for Formula Shell. Ito na naman si Romel Santos. Got it over to Vic Pablo. This is the guy with a hot hand for Formula Shell, especially dito sa second half. Mga kaibigan, he did a lot of damage and staving off the attack of Barangay Ginebra. Benji Paraz misses. Valera para sa rebound, binigay kay Alan Kaidik. Just 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining here in this game. Alan Kaidik binigay kay Noli Locsin. Locsin gets around Vic Pablo. Pinabayaan na lamang si Noli Locsin.
Well, hindi na talaga hinabol ni Victor Pablo sa almost a steal here. Traveling violation called on Rodriguez.
And ito, more bench players coming in. Si Jolly Escobar has Danny Aying.
Sa kabila naman si Harrison, hindi si Rex ito. At saka si Erwin Luna, ang malaking player ng Shell galing sa Tanduay Amateur Team, mga 6'6", 6'7" ganyan.
We go into the last 2 minutes of the game, brought to you by Winston, now in an international pack. Edward Nalonising, Rodriguez para sa rebound na kuha ni Harrison.
Binibigyan ng playing time ang bench. They're very contented with the game, no? Uy, Harrison, traveling.
Malayo gusto niya marating. Pero, nagle.
Maubrahak.
1 minute and 40 seconds remaining dito po sa laro nito. Unang sagupaan po ng Barangay Ginebra at Formula Shell sa kanilang best of 5 series para po natin malaman kung sino papasok sa championship round dito po sa McDonald's PBA All-Filipino Cup. Boy Valera going up against Romel Santos. Rodriguez para sa rebound. Ito na si Romel Santos. Hand out to Rodriguez, natapik. Buha naman ni Danny Aying. Danny Aying, this is
Cebuano rin niya, may tira rin sa labas yan.
Kilala yan doon sa Cebu. Sa ating paalala mo rin, ating mga kaibigan dyan sa Kabisayan, lalong-lalo na yung malalapit sa Ormoc, no? Kaya sa mga line-line ng mga lungsod, sa Ormoc, ang PBA karong 26 sa Mayo. Championship ka na. So, ando ka dito magkita. Isa ng mga waray-waray nga sa mga bungto. Sa Ormoc City doon, ni Mayor Dodong Padilla ang ating host doon. Samantala, Erwin Luna. This is Harrison para sa loose ball. It goes out of bounds in favor of Barangay Ginebra.
Well, gusto rin pakita ng PBA na hindi lang tayo sa mga regular games na binibigay natin ng chances sa mga ating provincial kababayan, no? Si Aying, medyo yan, may pera sa labas yan. Meron rin saksak yan. So the lead has been cut down to 14.
Pupunta rin na PBA sa Bago City.
So I think on the third game, on Wednesday.
Dito
Wednesday.
Darating na
It will be Formula Shell versus Barangay there. Tapos yung isang game dito, yung Alaska Tanduay, only on their third game.
Yes.
So there definitely will be a third game.
Oh, yes.
And I think that will be at the Phil Sports yata.
Yun. So, double venue tayo sa darating na Miyerkules.
Katulad ng ginawa natin dati.
Sa Bustos at saka sa mga Kolusiyo. Ito po, matapos na po itong labanan ito. Pero meron pang out-of-bounds play.
Walang ginawang tama kasi
Harrison.
pinagbigyan na nga hindi maidala yung bola.
Well, siguro, medyo may gigil ng kaunti. Just, he wants to prove himself. Konting hasa pa siguro at konting kumpiyansa. As a foul is now going to be called on Dennis Harrison.
His first foul, 15, Formula Shell Super.
Kaya po, coaching staff ng Barangay Ginebra, they've resigned to their fate.
Asawa ni Jolly at saka asawa ni Marlon nandun sa background.
Ito si Edward Garon. Just waiting for the game clock to wind down before taking their last stand here. Edward Garon says, ako na. Ako ni Valera sa ilalim, and he has last say in this game. So, ang ating pong unang game sa best of 5 series between Formula Shell and Barangay Ginebra goes to the Formula Shell Super Unleaded Team 81 versus Barangay Ginebra 60.